welcome all of you to the second annual Tisa Songs Fest. Not only are we collaborating once again with Move Forward Music, we're again powered by Distrokid. We love you, Distrokid. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ladibree.
Out of the way, niggas is out of their minds. You cannot die today. Like running with and I cannot call it. I cannot call it home. I cannot call it. Like why?
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for tough boy Madwiz.
Burn up with me and burn quickly. And Jesus told you about that other cheap shit, but you wouldn't turn to hit me. Madwiz, all I want is mad riches and big titty Aquarius bitches. I fuck fairies and witches. Rhyme scary and mystic. Shit is like getting close to vibes.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Truvi.
Let's not make it complicated, cause in this moment it's amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Blackboy Infinity.
Show me your character development. You old news and I'm new swag. Let's go.
Without further ado, I would love to introduce Mr. HD Ben Dope.
So these niggas don't write me. Tell them calm down. We just point them to the record. That was bombs, ain't pointers. We got pointed to the legends. I ain't pointed on my pressure. Then we pointed to the heavens. What's the point of even stressing? We gon' make it in a second when I know this shit is mine. Why would I worry when I'm on God's time? Why would I hurry? What's the word, dog? These niggas seem upset, but they can keep on